Greetings, fellow seekers of knowledge. Welcome to Info Ninja, the channel where we unleash the power of information and sharpen our minds. Today, we're diving into a whirlwind of productivity hacks that will transform you into a productivity ninja. So let's get started. Imagine this. Your workspace is a chaotic mess, hindering your productivity. Fear not, my fellow info ninjas. Our first hack is the Zen of decluttering. Channel your inner Zen master. Clear your desk, tame the clutter, and create a tranquil space for maximum productivity. Do social media and shiny objects lure you away from focus? Worry not, my info warriors. Our next hack is stealth mode focus. Silence notifications, block distracting websites, and immerse yourself in uninterrupted focus. Harness your ninja-like concentration to accomplish your tasks swiftly and skillfully. Ever feel like you're drowning in an overwhelming sea of tasks? Identify the most critical tasks and focus your efforts there. By mastering the art of prioritization, you'll navigate your way to productivity greatness. Finally, let's tackle the elusive art of multitasking. Embrace the art of task juggling. Group similar tasks together, focus on one mission at a time, and execute with precision. Master this skill, and you'll navigate the complex web of multitasking like a true info ninja. And there you have it, my fellow info ninjas. Armed with these productivity hacks, you'll unleash your inner ninja and conquer the realm of efficiency. Remember, declutter, focus, prioritize, recharge, and multitask with finesse. Stay tuned for more Info Ninja episodes, where we unlock the secrets to becoming a master of knowledge. Until then, stay focused and keep honing your ninja skills.